Okay, hello everyone. Um, my name is Klazawasi, and today, we're gonna look up um what type of bird Big Bird is. Okay, I have no idea what he's meant to be, so let's search that up. A canary. A canary. Out of all the things Big Bird could be, it's the ginormous canary. Okay, let's search up what a canary is. I have some at home, but let me just show you what they look like. Okay, this is what canaries look like. That. Okay, that looks a bit weird. Wait, what? Okay, that guy's got some funky hairdo going on. Okay, that's what canaries look like. And the size the size of a canary is 13 centimeters in length. Okay, that's not talking about height. Okay, okay, let's see how tall it is. Oh, okay, so in length from head to tail, it's 13 centimeters. But from the feet to the head is like 10 centimeters, if not more. I don't know, but they're a small bird, and to have Big Bird as a bloody canary. Okay, see Big Bird's feet. Do you see his feet? A real size canary would be smaller than his toes. Okay, that just goes to show you how much bigger Big Bird is to an actual canary. Okay, I can't believe. Okay, that's just weird. Okay, so what happens? Okay, I don't get it all. How this like one of the smallest birds in the world are. Well, maybe this is. Well, let's just say this is a canary, right? And let's just say there's different types of canaries. Okay, what if there's a big canary and it's just called a big canary? Okay, let's search up what a big canary is. How? Why? Oh. Oh my god. Are you serious? A canary is just a small bird. Big Bird is a big goddamn canary. Oh, well, have a good day, everyone, and have fun.